Everyone, here is yiluproxy's channel. The video shows how to use yiluproxy in Telegram on Windows. Firstly, set up yiluproxy settings as shown video. Then double-click a static IP or right-click and connect. You can see the connected proxy IP information on the top left. Then click the icon on the top left in Telegram client. Click Settings. Click Advanced. Click Connect Type. Select Use Custom Proxy. Select SOCKS5. Enter host name, 127.0.0.1.
Port, 1080, which is set in yiluproxy.
Then click Save. Then you can see the proxy connection is online. Then add another proxy. Right-click an IP and select a free proxy port. Forward 2 IP addresses. Then you can check all proxy ports information on port forward list. Then enter the proxy information. Port 5500. Port 5501. You can select one proxy to use in Telegram. Then try to use rotating residential IP. Select a country, state, and city. Select the number of refreshing IPs. Then click Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a free proxy port. And a proxy. Port 5502. yiluproxy rotating IP also supports HTTP protocol. Forwards an IP to a free proxy port again. Then select HTTP. Hostname 127.0.0.1. Port 5503. OK, now you can select a proxy you want to use. The video about using yiluproxy in Telegram is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.